The Christians have been studying the Bible for many years without understanding what the true meanings of its teachings really are. Millions have rejected religion and became atheists for the simple reason that the Bible does not even remotely make sense to anybody in the way that the Christian dogmas interprets its teachings. Most Christians are adamant that Genesis is a recording of God's physical creation and that evolution never happened. It is impossible for any person in the world to understand the Bible without understanding why God created the physical universe first. How is it possible for people to teach from the Bible without understanding the mysteries of its first book, as this lays the foundation to where it all started? By what I am about to reveal, we shall see that it is totally impossible for the creation of the Bible to be a recording of the physical universe. In this video, we shall see that heaven is not above the stars, as people are being taught. I will also prove that the Bible cannot be taken literally, as the physical creation was not the creation recorded in the Bible. It is time for the truth to be revealed concerning the creation in Genesis. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw the light, that it was good, and God divided the light from the darkness. And God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And the evening and the morning were the first day. Most Christian dogmas teach that heaven is above the stars, but when we read exactly what is written, we shall find that this is not what the Bible teaches. Let's take a closer look at where God placed heaven in the beginning. And God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." And God made the firmament and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. And God called the firmament heaven. The firmament which separated the clouds from the sea was named heaven. Heaven is therefore above the sea, but under the clouds. Heaven is not above the stars, according to the scriptures. And God said, "Let the waters under the heaven be gathered together unto one place, and let the dry land appear." And it was so. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of waters called he seas. And God saw that it was good. I want to advance to the fourth day, when God created the sun, moon, and stars. First of all, we have to take into consideration that 4 days have passed before God created the sun, moon, and stars. What gave light to separate day from night for 4 days without a sun? There is something more important which I want us to focus on at this point, though. God placed the sun, moon, and stars inside the firmament, which was under the clouds. I repeat, the sun, moon, and stars were placed inside the firmament, which was under the clouds and above the sea. And God made 2 great lights, the great light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He made the stars also, and God set them in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth, and to rule over the day and over the night, and to divide the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good, and the evening and the morning were the fourth day. We therefore learn from this teaching that the sun, moon, and stars were in the firmament, which was under the clouds.